Alright, welcome back to another Miata Chronicles. This is going to be part 2. This is no going. We got a lot of work to do on this thing.
You mean like put an actual exhaust on it?
Yep.
Does he get headers?
Yep.
Let's go.
All this oil and gunk needs to be pressure washed. But today we're going to rip this back apart and retime, get it cranked so we can get the shit out of the shop. So be prepared, as you know, as usual, what we finna do. Hyperlapse.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for
Alright guys, so after about a minute, 30 seconds of video, got the valve cover off, timing cover off, and I went and put the crank back on just to get it lined up at the mark it's supposed to be. I'm seeing that the intake valve, the intake cam is lined up with the mark that it's supposed to be, but the exhaust cam is not lined up with the mark it's supposed to be. So right now I'm trying to get the guys and see what they can figure out. In the meantime, you have fun.
If you guys can see down here, let me see if I can zoom in. If it'll focus. Come on. Yep. You can see it right there. We have it. Finger. That's lined up. And he already put the cover on because we just want to test it and see. So as you can see here, on point. Okay, and that seems to be a problem because that is off, which means the one at the top is still off. So I need to take the valve cover back off and make sure it didn't move.
Out of time.
Take it back apart.
This is the exact same situation as, guess what? When I did the intake manifold on the BMW. You know why? Because 2 of the coil packs are
I am just gonna stop you right there and say thanks for all the trouble you have put us through because you put the plugs in the wrong spot.
But guess who suggested that I switch them over? Me.
After you done switched them in the wrong place.
Because I don't know anything about these.
Adam, can you start this car for me, please? One of these days, I'm gonna punch you so hard.
But I figured it out.
Two plugs on the coil pack that he
I just said that. Was it getting sparked?
was the wrong hole.
I said that. Back there. I said, was it getting those 2 bars right there. Do you know anything about those 2 ones? You know those 2?
I'll do other things.
Like a grip car. He watched you.
Fuck. Alright, tell him just listen.
Just listen, bro. Just listen.
Alright, ready when you are.
So check this out. First things first.
What you guys say, man?
Yeah, I appreciate it, you guys. It's great to hear it running, man. And if Jeremiah told me it shouldn't be leaking no more either, I'll take his word for it. I hope that's the case.
All right, so now to get on the serious business.
It's great to hear it running, man. And I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea.
All right, bro. You have fun up in Seattle, man.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
All right. That's it for this video. Time to get to work.